Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to be showing you around this Volkswagen Polo finished in black. I'll just take you around the outside of the car just so you can get a good look. Lovely wheels. This is a brand new car as well. And I'll open it up so we can have a look on the inside. So you've got the lovely touchscreen. The grey inserts that really just finish it off. Nice extra touch. And there is quite a lot of space in the back as well, so if you have got a family or anything, there's not going to be a problem with this car. Considering it is a smaller car, there's plenty of room. Lovely cloth seats as well, really comfortable. So I'll start it up so that we can have a look at some of the features. So obviously down here you've got your 2 USB charging ports, air conditioning, heating, blowers. This one's a manual. This one has got parking sensors as well. So you press the button, it does come up on the screen. So on the menu, you can select all the different options. So radio. You've also got media, so you can put CD. App Connect, so you can connect your phone, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink. You have got all your car options on there as well, so you can see all your efficiencies. You can connect your phone, there's voice control, and you can alter all the sound on there as well. And then you've got your warning lights. And then on the steering wheel, you've got your increase and decrease volume button, mute, skip, and then you've got your controls for the screen. So you can view all that on there. Onto the side, it has got automatic headlights. You turn that on like that, and it'll just come on automatically when it gets darker. Or you steer it, your window controls, and also your locks. So if you are interested in this car, please give us a call as soon as you can. Thank you.